Let us try and solve this problem. This is what is normally called word or story problem. Word or story problem. Okay, it is a story problem in that the problem is stated in words, as if somebody is telling a story. And then it is your task to actually understand the problem and interpret it into a mathematical expression. Let us look at the problem that we are tackling. Okay, this is the problem here. It says somebody called Kweku. Let me read the problem. Kweku needs his fence put up in 4 days. This young man, Kweku, has, or John, or whatever you want to call him, he has to finish, put up a fence, and he has to finish in 4 days. But if he tries to work on his own, it will take him 6 days, which means that he cannot finish the job on time. So he has to call in a friend. I'm saying this in my own words, and that this is what you have to do. So he has to call in a friend. And if he calls in a friend, the program says he can ask Akwasi to help so he could finish on time. Okay, look at that one here. He could finish on time. What does finish on time mean? Finish on time means they can finish in 4 days, because he said they have to finish in 4 days. They have to finish in 4 days. So finishing something on time means, finishing the fence on time means they have to finish in 4 days. So if Akwasi joins him, it will take them, the two of them, 4 days. So we want to know how fast Akwasi should work, so that working alongside Kweku, they can finish the job in 4 days. So let's go here. Now you have to get this straight. If you can finish a job, finish in 5 days. Finish in 5 days. It means every day you do 1/5 of the job. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, you do 1/5. Day 2, you do 1/5. Day 3, you do 1/5. Day 4, you do 1/5. And day 5, you do 1/5. So if you can finish a job in 6 days, it means every day you do 1/5 of the job. Corollary, that is, if you turn it around, if you have a job and you can do, every day you do 1/7 part of the job, every day you do 1/7 of the job, then it means to complete the job, it will take you 7 days. Just turn it upside down. It will take you 7 days. If you know the days, it means 1 over that day is what you do every day of the job. Okay, if it will take you 5 days to complete a job, it means that in every day you will do 1/5 of the job. It also means that if you can do a job if you can do part of the job, 1/7 of a job, if you can do 1/7 of the job, it means to complete the job, it will take you 7 days. Okay, so the two go together. Now, let us go back to our program. Okay, we know that a Kweku on his own can take 6 days to complete the job if he's working on his own, Kweku. So with what we have just said before, it means that Kweku, if Kweku takes 6 days to finish the job. So what part of the job can Kweku do in 1 day? So Kweku will do 1/6 of the job, okay, of the fence. Kweku, if he wants to work on his own, he will do 1/6, just 1/6 of the job, okay. We want to know if Akwasi works with him. We are told that if Akwasi works with him, they can finish the job in 4 days. So it means that if they work together, every day they can finish 1/4 of the job. Okay, if they work together, it will take them 4 days. So it means if they work together every day, they will finish 1/4 of the job. Okay, so working together, Kwaku and Kwaku plus Kosi, Kwaku plus Akosi will take 4 days. So it means every day, this is per day, 1/6. Kwaku on his own will do 1/6 of the job. Kwaku and Akosi will do 1/4 of the job in a day. Because if they work together, they will take 4 days, which means every day they will do 1/4 of the job. By the second day, they will have done 1/4 and 1/4, which is half. So the 4th day, they will have finished the job. We don't know how fast Akwesi works. So let X be the number of days Akwesi will take to do the job on his own. X. Let X be the number of days for Akwesi. Okay. If Akwesi is working on its own, we don't know how long it will take, how fast he works. So we just let X represent Akwesi's rate. But we know that if Akwesi will take X days, then in 1 day, what part of the job can Akwesi do? He can do 1/X. Because we have already said that if somebody can do a job in 5 days, it means in 1 day, they can do 1/5. 1 over the total number of days, 1/5. So if Akwesi can do a job in X days, then it means in 1 day, Akwesi can do 1/X of the job, 1/X of the job. Let's repeat what we just said. Kwaku will do 1/6 of the job in a day. Akwesi will do 1/X of the job in a day. But we know that when they work together, we have been told that they will finish the job in 4 days, which means when they work together, in 1 day, both of them will do 1/4 of the job. So Akwesi or Kwaku working with Akwesi will do 1/4 of the job in 1 day. Okay. Kwaku alone will do 1/6 of the job because it takes him 6 days to finish it. Akwesi, we don't know, so we let X represent how long Akwesi will take. So if Akwesi will take X days to finish the job, then in 1 day he will do 1/X of the job. But we are told that when they work together, when the two guys work together, they will finish the job in 4 days. That we have been told. So it means that if they work together, they can finish 1/4 of the job in 1 day. Okay. So what is Akwesi's day? Akwesi's rate per day. What part of the job does Kwaku do in a day? It's 1/6. So if you work together with Akwesi, who will do this part of the job in 1 day? This is 1 day for Kwaku. This is 1 day for Akwesi. So they are working together. And we are told that they will finish it in 1/4. They will finish 1/4 of the job in a day. Okay, they will finish 1/4 of the job in a day. Kwaku, 1/6 in a day. Akwesi, 1/X in a day. But together, 1/4 in a day. So this should equal to 1/4. Okay, this together, they work together, they finish 1/4 of the job. So it should equal to that. So we have to solve for X, and that is simple. So let me erase this part here. So we know that 1/6 plus 1/X equals to 1/4. Let's bring 1/X here. 1/X equals to 1/4 minus 1/6. Okay, so it means 1/X here equals to This is 12. 3 minus 2 give you 1 over 12 equals to 1 over 12. So x equals to 12, which means that Akwasi should work, Akwasi alone should be able to complete the job in 12 days. If he's supposed to work with Kwaku and finish the job in 4 days. So Akwasi should do 1/12 of the job in a day. Okay, Akwasi should do 1/12 of the job in the day. Let's check it. Let's check it. If Kwaku does 1/6 and Akwasi does 1/12, okay, when they work together, we have 12 here, 6 here, 2. So if they work together, in 1 day, they will finish 3 over 12. Sorry, 2 plus 1, 3 over 12, which is 1/4. So in 1 day, they will finish 1/4 of the day, which means together they will take 4 days to finish the job.